Lever Tuesday!
At WAGO, we've been talking a lot about the Lever-Lution.
And although the concept of the lever may not be new, our offerings in our PCB terminal blocks and multi-connection system, or MCS pluggables, are.
Take the 2601 terminal block. Super compact with quick and easy wiring for cross sections for 26 to 14 gauge.
Or the levers on our 2734 series MCS Mini. Ideal for applications with small cross sections, making connections in the field extremely reliable.
Both take up very little space on the board thanks to our 3.5 millimeter pin spacing.
The intuitive levers ensure that the contact point is always secure, and they are simple to use. Just lift to open, insert the wire, close. That's it.
The 2601 series can be connected to the PCB both vertically or horizontally and are ideal for the device connections in the field, no matter the performance class.
With the 2734, you can pre-wire your application and simply plug it into the board. Plus, it's 100% protected against mismating.
WAGO's 2601 series PCB terminal blocks.
And our 2734 series MCS Mini pluggables make it another fantastic Two for Tuesday.
Go to our website to search and learn all about our 2601 PCB terminal blocks with levers by clicking in the link in the text above.
Discover more about our 2734 MCS Mini at www.wago.com/us/MCS-Mini-2734-series and see how you can take part in the Lever-Lution. Happy Tuesday.